How to use CamScanner. Using the CamScanner app as a beginner is completely simple. First of all, CamScanner is just a document scanning app, anything beyond or below that. So if you want to use CamScanner, usually you have a photo of a certain document which you would like to convert to a PDF document. That's when CamScanner comes to use. You can also DocuSign it using a signature or digital signature and other features as such. As you launch the CamScanner app, this is the type of interface that you will be able to see right here. And there are many options. First, you can see the smart scan, you can see PDF tools, you can see import images, you can see import files, ID cards, extract text, solver AI and all. Now there is the free version of CamScanner and there is also the paid version of CamScanner. Both of these have certain limitations and drawbacks from each other. Now you can tap on the camera icon from the bottom right to simply select a document from your gallery by tapping on select document. Select any document or photo, whatever else it is. Tap on the import option and it will successfully import that particular photo into a PDF file and scan it as a document. Once done, you can just do whatever else you want. If it has a text, you can also choose to extract the text from there. Then you can just hit the arrow button. Now you can choose to save the document to your gallery as well. This way you should be able to use CamScanner as a complete beginner. I hope this video really helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the very end and see you in the next video.